Introduction to Population Geography. Population geography is a branch of geography that focuses on the study of people, including how they live, where they live, how many people live in a place, and how populations change over time. It examines patterns like how people are distributed across the world, why they move from one place to another, and the relationship between population and resources. What did G.T. Trewartha say about population geography? Trewartha, a famous geographer, gave a detailed explanation of what population geography involves. He believed population geography should focus on several important areas, which he divided into smaller categories. 1. Population in the past. Trewartha explained that we need to understand how populations have changed throughout history. He divided this study into 4 periods. Prehistoric age, the time before people started writing down history. Ancient medieval period, the time when early civilizations and empires started developing. Medieval period, a time when kingdoms grew and people started moving to cities. Modern period, the present-day population growth influenced by industrialization and globalization. Studying these periods helps us understand how human populations have changed and developed over time. 2. Number of people in the population. Trewartha divided this area into 5 main topics. World population growth. How the number of people on Earth has increased over time. For example, there were fewer people in ancient times, but with advancements in technology and medicine, the global population has grown a lot. Processes of population change. This involves understanding why populations grow or shrink. Reasons include births, deaths, and migration. High and low populations in different areas. Some places have too many people, overpopulation, while others don't have enough people, underpopulation. For example, cities like Tokyo are crowded, while deserts or mountain areas may have very few people. Population distribution. This looks at how people are spread across the land and includes the following. Arithmetic density, the number of people per square kilometer of land. Physiological density, how many people live per unit of farmland. Agricultural density, the number of farmers per unit of agricultural land. Economic density, the relationship between people and the available jobs or economic resources. 3. Migration, movement of people. Migration refers to people moving from one place to another to live. Trewartha divided this into 2 main types. International migration, moving from one country to another. This can be out-migration, when people leave their country to live elsewhere, e.g., moving from Bangladesh to Canada. In-migration, when people come into a country to live, e.g., people moving to the United States for jobs. Migration can happen for many reasons, such as searching for better jobs, escaping difficult conditions like war, or wanting to live in a new environment. Why is population geography important? Population geography helps us understand how human populations affect and are affected by their environment. By studying population, we can make better decisions about resources, development, and urban planning. For example, knowing where people live helps governments build schools, hospitals, and transportation networks in the right places. Conclusion. In simple terms, population geography is about studying people and their patterns. G.T. Trewartha's views show how broad and detailed this field is, including population changes over history, the number of people, their distribution, and why they move. By understanding population geography, we can better plan for the future and ensure that everyone's needs are met.